Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of HFM Copy Trading, a feature that's been getting a lot of attention in 2025 for helping both beginners and seasoned traders copy the strategies of successful investors automatically. If you've ever wanted to trade Forex or CFDs but didn't have the time or expertise, this video is for you. I'll be breaking down everything you need to know, from how HFM Copy Trading works, its main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and finally a balanced conclusion on whether it's the best option for you this year. Let's get started. HFM, previously known as Hot Forex, is a globally recognized multi-asset broker that's been around since 2010. Over the years, HFM has earned a solid reputation for transparency, regulation, and reliability, offering a wide range of instruments including Forex, commodities, indices, stocks, bonds, and cryptocurrencies. But what really stands out about HFM today is its copy trading platform, which is designed to bridge the gap between professional traders and beginners. Especially, HFM Copy Trading allows you to replicate the trades of top performing strategy providers automatically. That means that when an experienced trader opens or closes a position, your account does the same, proportionally based on the amount you choose to invest. This system is part of HF Copy Account, which is available both on desktop and mobile through the HFM app and web terminal. The platform was built to make trading more inclusive, giving beginners access to expert-level decision-making without requiring them to spend years learning technical analysis or price action. Now, let us talk about the main features of HFM Copy Trading. Wide range of strategy providers. HFM offers a growing list of professional traders from around the world. Each provider's profile includes detailed stats like total return, maximum drawdown, trading style, and average holding time, giving you all the information you need to make informed decisions. Flexible investment options. You can start with as little as $100 in most cases, making it very beginner friendly. You choose the trader you want to copy and decide how much of your balance to allocate. Transparency dashboard. The copy trading dashboard shows real-time data including open trades, profit and loss history, and risk metrics, so you always know what's happening in your account. Performance fee model. Strategy providers earn commissions based on their followers' profits, which is usually between 10 and to 50%, depending on the provider. This means they only get paid when you make money, aligning their interest with yours. Integrated risk management tools. Followers can set limits on loss, stop copying instantly, or withdraw funds at any time. This gives you more control and helps minimize exposure to sudden market movements. Mobile and web access. Whether you're trading from your desktop or phone, HFM's platform is fully optimized. The HFM app makes it easy to monitor your trades, check performance stats, and copy or remove providers on the go. Regulation and security. HFM is regulated by top-tier authorities such as the FCA, SISEC, and others. This ensures fund safety, segregated accounts, and compliance with global standards, something many newer copy trading platforms can't always guarantee. Now, let us talk about the pricing. When it comes to pricing, HFM keeps things simple and transparent. For followers, it is believed that you can open an HF Copy account with a minimum deposit of $100, while strategy providers need at least $500 to start offering their strategies. What are the pros and cons of using HFM Copy Trading? First, the pros. Trusted global broker with multiple regulations. It's a user-friendly platform with clean analytics, and there's a low entry threshold, which is the starting point of about $100. Passive income opportunity for both followers and providers, and there's real-time transparency and control over your copied trades. How about the cons? Well, your performance depends entirely on the trader you copy, so you need to copy right. Returns can vary widely. Some providers may have high risk levels, and it is not available in some restricted countries. To wrap it up, HFM Copy Trading in 2025 remains one of the most balanced, transparent, and beginner-friendly platforms for automated investing. For beginners, it's an incredible learning tool You can literally watch how professionals manage their trades, adjust their positions, and handle volatility. And for experienced traders, it's a chance to monetize your skills by earning from followers' success. Well, in short, if you're looking for a regulated, reliable, and easy to use copy trading solution, HFM is one of the best choices in 2025. And that's it on the review of the HFM Copy Trading platform. If you're looking to try other alternatives aside from this, you may explore eToro, Zulu Trade, and FXTM Invest. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.